The defense and the prosecution in the Oscar Pistorius trial were for once united in their bid to prevent the live broadcast of Dr. Gert Simon's testimony. They argued that his post-mortem report on Riva Steenkamp was too graphic to air or even report on social media. But the most compelling argument came from the pathologist himself, who said he was bound by the Health Professions Act not to make graphic statements in public.
I think that the very personal nature of findings that are made at an autopsy examination have the potential to compromise the dignity of the deceased. It goes against the good morals of society for us to make information of this nature available in a manner which could do harm.
Judge Masipa then ruled that the live feed would be suspended and allowed Simon's testimony to continue. The court heard detailed evidence of Steenkamp's injuries. The pathologist confirmed that she died of multiple gunshot wounds. Pistorius held his head in his hands, gagging and vomiting throughout. Court officials gave him a plastic bucket while testimony continued. The pathologist said there were 3 bullet wounds to the head, hip and elbow. He said bruising around Steenkamp's eyes was as a result of the bullet wound to her head, not trauma. He also said the bullet wounds to her hip and shoulder alone could have killed her, and the ammunition was designed to break up inside the body. At this point, proceedings adjourned for the day. Earlier, defense advocate Barry Roux continued his cross-examination of Silverwood's estate security guard, Peter Baba. Roux used phone records to and from the security office to show that the Paralympian had been the one to contact security and not the other way round. Baba, however, continued to insist that he phoned Pistorius first. Day 6 of the Oscar Pistorius trial began with a detailed cross-examination of a security guard, but ended with a post-mortem report so graphic that it was banned from broadcast and caused Pistorius to vomit inside court. As testimony from this precedent-setting case emerges, it's clear that finding the truth is a painful and emotive process. Pagamile Hlubi, Pretoria.
Know more. eNCA.com